Hey guys, I got a quick tip for you. When you're doing all this axle work, a lot of times you'll need a bearing driver, and there's really no need to go buy any of that stuff because you can turn the old races from the bearings that you've removed, the bearings that were probably pitted and damaged. You can turn those into bearing drivers, and all you got to do is have a chop saw. That's the best way to do it, and you just split them. You can see this one here, I split with a chop saw and then deburred, got rid of all the slag because you can see it got very hot during the process because that's very hard stuff. This is what I use to put on the carrier bearings. Just put it on there and put a plate over the top and press it down until it stops. And because it's split, it's easy to pop off. You know, that one there, that's as far as it went. And if it just does get stuck, just pop it with a drift or a hammer or something. It'll pop right off. But you can see it also works with the outer race for driving in the bearings in the hub. That's the one that goes in the hub. And this is also the outer bearing race for the outer bearing of the hub. So anyway, that's all you got to do to make your own drivers, and maybe you can save yourself a few bucks.